The highly acclaimed cast of Uninvited arrived in Cebu to promote their much-anticipated film during a media press conference on Sunday, December 8, 2024. This gripping film follows a mother's relentless pursuit of justice and revenge after the heartbreaking murder of her daughter. With its R16 rating for the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival, Uninvited presents a daring and unique approach to a family-driven narrative.
Ang maganda sa Uninvited at its core, it's a mother story. So hindi man siya masasabing very typical family film. Madami parang mapupulot na maganda sa pelikula. Madami pwedeng matutunan. And plus isa pa, I'm so proud of the cast and the crew who worked on the film kasi parang nung napanood ko yung final online, parang medyo nakakaiyak na kasi performances plus yung shots, everything, it's something to be proud of.
John Brian Diamante, producer of Uninvited from Mentor Productions, shared that the story was conceptualized by the star for all seasons, Vilma Santos Recto.
Kasi na-realize ko pala, 200 megit pelikula na ang nagawa ng nag-iisang Vilma Santos Recto. Kung paano nga po natin. And then sabi ko, ma'am, tigil na natin to. Anong gusto mong gawin? Kaya actually guys, ang Uninvited is a story na concept po ni Ma'am Vilma Santos. Ayan. So, ito po, ayun nga, kaya sabi nga po ni Direk, even though na R16 kami, it's still a family story. Ito po ay istorya ng isang ina na ano po talaga dito is yung first time kasi gawin ng isang Vilma Santos, yung ganitong tipo ng pelikula. And then, kaya halos lahat sila challenge din namin ni Direk dito.
Nung sinabi niya, ano na lang gusto mo? Eto sinabi ko, may gusto akong gawin. Something I think that at this point in time of my career and my age, palagay ko, eto yung pelikulang pwede pa akong ma-challenge. And nilatag ko po sa kanya yung concept ng Uninvited. It's about a mother. And it's a mother, a grieving mother. And gusto ko yung istoryang nangyayari lang ng 24 hours.
The Philippines' original heartthrob Aga Mulak expressed his gratitude and excitement for the film, taking on a role that breaks away from his usual characters.
Knowing that yung role ko na gagampanan ko ay kakaiba ulit, plus the fact that I'll be working with Vilma again. The last time I worked with was like 20 years ago. Long time ago, and also yung opportunity to work with Miss Nadine Lustre and to be directed by Dan Villegas, and of course you producer namin yung Mentor, so it was all excitement. It was all excitement for me, and plus the fact na gagawin namin yung pelikula for the Metro Manila Film Festival, and we were lucky that napili po kami, nakasama po kami. So masayang-masaya ako ngayon, more than anything, that we're part of the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival.
Meanwhile, multi-awarded actress Nadine Lustre takes on a complex and mysterious role in Uninvited, leaving audiences guessing her true intentions. This highly anticipated film promises an unforgettable blend of emotion, suspense, and powerful performances, making it a must-watch experience.
Sana po supportahan po ninyo, and sana po you're all as excited as we are. This is directed by Direk Dan Villegas. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta. Magkita-kita po tayo sa sinihan on December 25.
This has been Joanne Clarice Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.